Okay, what we should add here so that we get this answer. Similarly, you do that when you had to find what we should into, we get 5. So what you did, you subtracted total from this number, first number, so you got your second number. Similarly, you subtract 90056 I did one mistake here. I have not given enough space here, and I have also not given enough space here. Now you will see that I will face problem while solving. 0 1 2 0 9 9 8 7. Okay, and we have to do minus just like that. So 4 2 3 1 2 2 minus 0 2 6 minus 0 6 5 minus, we cannot subtract, so we will make it 15, and this will become our 899. Okay, 900 will become 899. So 15 minus 9, it will be 6, and 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 8 1, 8 minus 7 1. Okay, I did not find any problem while solving here, because so let's do next question. So our answer is this. Our second number is here. You have to write this number. Okay, in second, first in third C you have to do the same. Okay, you have to subtract this number from that big number. You have to subtract this small number from that big number, then you will get your answer. So in third C, question says what should we add here? What should we add here? So we will get this. So what we should add here in 3 4 5 1 2 2 3 1, so that we could get this number 402, this number. Same like that, how will you find this number? When you subtract, like 8 8 9 7 6 402 231 21 543. Okay, you have to solve and you have to give me the answer. Can you do that? So let's move to our question 4. Let's see in book what is the question 4. Question 4 says what should be added to this number to get 5894463. Just like that. Third B question, third B and C. We have to solve like third B and C. Here you can see question says what should be added. So let's write here. Solve 4. Okay, so it says what should be added? 2. मतलब इसमें हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमको मिल जाए ये नंबर. Okay, suppose I tell you what should be added to 5. Okay, what should be added to 5 to get 10? Then you will say, sir, 5 is the answer. How you find that? You find by subtracting small number from big number. Okay, similarly you will do here. If you have to find this first number, then you have to subtract second number from this big number. So how will you do that? You write here 5 8 9 4 4 6 0 3. Here you will write 8 9 1 4 5 5 3 2. Then let me check if I am writing correct. 8 9 1 4 5 5. Okay, I have written correct. Now let's move ahead. 3 minus 1 2. 0 you cannot subtract, so you will make it 10. 10 minus 9 1, it will be 5. 5 you cannot subtract, so you will make here 15 and you will make here 3. So 15 minus 8 will be what? 7. You cannot subtract 5 from 3, so you will make here what? You will make here 13 and you will make here 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. You cannot subtract here, so again you will make 13. You will make here 8. 13 minus 4 will be what? 9. Here it will be 6. Here it will be 5. Here it will be 0. So answer is that 56,000. Okay, so answer is 56,98,712 is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now let's read fifth question. Fifth question says, what should be subtracted from this number to get this small number? Okay, question 5 says, what should be subtracted means 69,471 means what should be subtracted this from this is big number, so we could get 83332,484. okay, so if I tell you, if I ask you one question, what should be subtracted from 10 so that we could get 5, very small question. If I ask you what should be subtracted from 10 so we got 5, you say sir answer is 5. How you did that? By subtracting a small number from big number, you got the answer. Similarly, when you subtract this small number from this big number, you will get the answer. I am doing here for you. You see 885,69471. Now here write 4 8 4 2 3 then 3 3 8. Okay, so now I have not given enough space here. You have to give enough space here. You have to remember that. If you will not give space here, it will become problem for you. Here 11 minus 4, so it will become 6. 11 minus 4 what? 7. Then 6 cannot be done, so it will be 16. It will be 3. So 16 minus 8, it will be 8. 3 minus 4 not possible, so we will make it 13 and you will make it 8. 13 minus 4 will be what? 9. 8 minus 2 will be 6. 6 minus 3 will be 3. 5 minus 3 will be 2. 8 minus 3 will be 5 and it will be 0. So our answer will be 52,36,987. So you will write 52,36,987 should be subtracted. Okay, here you will write this number should be added, means 56,98,712 should be added. Okay, this will be answer. Here this will be answer. Now we'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 says, find the sum of largest 8-digit number and the smallest 7-digit number. You know that what is the smallest, what is the sum of largest 8-digit? Let me solve this question. Okay, question number 6. So first you write your question, then you write solve here, Do you know what is largest 8-digit number? So here write largest 8-digit number. What is largest 8-digit number? 9999. 8 times 9. Okay, this is our largest 8-digit number. And then smallest 7-digit number. Here write smallest 7-digit number. What is smallest 7-digit number? 1, and then 6 times 0. Okay, 6 times 0, 1. That is our smallest 7-digit number. What we have to do? We have to find their sum. Sum means what? Addition. So we will write here sum. Okay, to find the sum, what we'll do? We'll add these numbers. So 9 how many times? 8 times. And then 0 how many times? 6 times. Six times 0, 8 times 9. Then 9, 9, 9, 10. This is our answer. Okay, you just had to add largest 8-digit number plus smallest 7-digit. You have to add this number first. Then question says seventh question. Seventh question says the population of Uttar Pradesh is 19 crore 19 lakh 98 lakh 12,341, and that of Kerala is 3 crore 33 lakh 87,677. By how much is the population of Uttar Pradesh more than that of Kerala? Okay, so listen students, whenever you have been told what should be added, how much more than, how much more than, how much left, this type of question you have to subtract. Like in 8th you have to subtract, in 9 you have to subtract, in question number 4 you have to subtract. Whenever you have been said what should be added, how much is left, how much is greater, how much is more, then you have to subtract the number. And here sum means addition. It is simple. So let's write question. What will okay students, in question number 7th you have been given population of Uttar Pradesh and population of Kerala, and it is asking population of Uttar Pradesh is how much more. So when you have to find more, you will subtract a smaller number from greater number. So first write what you have been given. You have been given population of Uttar Pradesh. What is population of Uttar Pradesh? You can write Uttar Pradesh in short in UP. So what is the population of UP? 19 crore 98 lakh 12,341. And what is the population of Kerala is given? Population of Kerala is 57,607. Okay, and we have to find more. Okay, means more means their difference. Okay, we have to find their difference. What is difference? Difference when we get after subtraction. Okay, so here you can see that here this is minuend from the number from which we are subtracting. This is subtrahend, and this is called difference. Okay, this is called difference. So let's find the difference. So which is greater number? This 91998 12341 677 87 333. Okay. Now 11 and 7, what is the answer? 4. You cannot, so it will make here 3 here. Now 7 cannot be subtracted from 3, so it will become 13 and it will become 2. So 13 minus 7 will be 6 and 2 will be 12 and 2 will be here 1. 12 minus 6, 6, and here 11, it will become 0. 11 minus 7, 4, 0 means what? It will become 10, it will become 7. 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 3, 4, 9 minus 3, 6, and 9 minus 3, 6, and 1. So answer is that. So this, how this much UP is, population of UP is greater than. So you'll write here population of UP is 1664 24664 greater than Kerala. Okay, this will be the answer. Now let's move to question number 8. Let me check it is correct or not. 199812341333. That 11 minus 7, 4. 4 it will be 4 it will be 3. 3 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Then 2 3 will 2. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says Rahul's brother joins a college. Okay, the tuition fee for the first year is 55,567 and the other expense, मतलब जो अगला और खर्चा है, अदर खर्चे हैं वो है 25,679. व्हाट आर द टोटल एक्सपेंस? हमको फाइंड करना है टोटल. सो टोटल करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? वील एड दिस टू नंबर्स एंड इट इज आल्सो आस्किंग हाउ मच इज द ट्यूशन फी मोर देन अदर एक्सपेंस. हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? सम करना है और यहाँ पे डिफरेंस करना है. पहले हम सम निकालेंगे दोनों का, देन वील डू डिफरेंस. सो वील फर्स्ट राइट हियर, आई एम राइटिंग हियर. So the tuition fee, so you have to write first question here, then you have to write solve here. The tuition fee for the first year, what is the tuition fee for the first year? It is rupees 55,567 and then you have to write other expense for that year, है ना. उसी ईयर के लिए अदर एक्सपेंस क्या है? 25,679 rupees. Then we have to do total expense. Okay, we have to find total expense. Then we have to find what? We have to also find difference. जब हमको find करना है more than, how much, greater, how much left, then we have to find difference. So let's find first total expense. What is total expense? 55,567 25 679. You have to add these two number. Okay, I hope you will able to solve. Then what you have to do, difference you have to find. So what you'll do, greater number, which is greater number, 55,567 and this 25,679. I hope you'll, now here you have to subtract, now here you have to sum, then you will get the total expense when you will sum, and when you will subtract, then you will get the difference. I hope you will be able to solve this question. So let's now move to our ninth question. Okay, ninth question says, again, how much left? Okay, first you write speed of travel of light this, then you write what you have to find, comma, then you subtract how much left में आपको इस बिगर नंबर से इस स्मॉलर नंबर को आपको क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू टेंथ question 10th. Now you have to write first here question 10, then you will write here solve. Okay, question 10 says a biscuit factory places an order for 10,34,567 किलोग्राम ऑफ फ्लोर इन अ मंथ. ओके, इतने ग्राम ये मैदा क्या करता है, ऑर्डर करता है. देन आउट ऑफ दिस मच इज कॉर्न फ्लोर, इतने मैदे में से इतना कॉर्न फ्लोर का मैदा है. दिस मच इज मेज फ्लोर, इतना मेज का मैदा है. इतना है आपका ओट फ्लोर, ओट भी एक टाइप है खाने का, दैट इज ये इट इज प्लेसिंग हियर. ओके, ऑर्डर हियर. देन एक और चीज़ बच गया, दैट इज व्हीट फ्लोर. यू हैव टू फाइंड द व्हीट फ्लोर. ओके, आपको व्हीट फ्लोर निकालना है. टोटल ऑर्डर दिया है, 3 थिंग दिया है आपको, 4th का आपको आंसर निकालना है. सो राइट, वील राइट फर्स्ट हियर ओके, total order of biscuit factory. Okay, what is total order of biscuit factory? 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 किलोग्राम. ओके, नाउ यहाँ इसमें फ्रॉम दिस कॉर्न फ्लोर इज 34798 then 000 ग्राम.